Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Binti, and this video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be a vlog type of video showing you how I prepare for Eid. So my dad's outfit finally came, and this is my second time ordering, and I'm trying it on to make sure that it is loose on me because the first one that I got was too tight. It's April the 6th and I'm on my way to Walmart to get an oil change. I have an appointment at 11 o'clock. And while I'm here, I'm just looking around to see what I can get for my nieces and nephews. It is now around 4 o'clock and I just got done packing the orders. So I'm about to go to the post office and then I will head over to my dad's place to drop off his stuff. It's Sunday and I'm at Bath and Body Works trying to do some last minute shopping. So for one of my sisters, I will be making a little self-care bundle. And for my other sister, I will be getting some candles for her. So it's 2 days before Eid and I'm getting ready to start wrapping up my gifts. And here's all the stuff that I got for the kids. here's part 2 of wrapping up the gifts. I didn't go to bed until 1:30 the other night, and I had to go to work the very next day. So I'm just finishing up wrapping up the gifts, and this is what I got for my sister at Bath and Body Works. And this is what I got for myself. I'm actually really excited to try the strawberry pound cake. Now that I'm done wrapping up all of the gifts, I'm getting ready to start filling up these goodie bags. And I did buy way more candies than I need to because I was first planning on making about 70 to 100 goodie bags. But after realizing how much work it would be to have to carry all of this out, I am sticking to 30. So I'm filling these bags up with candies, and when we go to the masjid in the morning for the morning prayer, I will be handing these out to the little kids. So by the time I got done with everything, it was already 3 o'clock in the morning. I ended up going to bed at 4 and waking up at 6 to do my makeup and to get ready to go to the masjid. So here's my outfit for the day, and normally on Eid, people do wear 2 outfits a day. But because I love this one so much and it's my favorite color, I decided that I'm just gonna wear this the whole day. We just got back from the masjid and my little niece is here with me. She's helping me load some gifts into the trunk. We will be heading over to my sister's house where we will be opening our presents. She is also hosting a little lunch party at her house, so we would be going over there to eat, and then we would head over to the park where they're having an Eid party. By the time we got to the park, it was already 7 o'clock at night. There were still a lot of people there, but we ended up not staying there for too long as it was already starting to get dark. So we have just decided to end the night with a dinner. I'm so excited to show you guys these pink tubes. I think you guys are going to love them. I love how thick and sturdy they are, and the big brush is also a plus. So I can't wait to start making some new products. Right now, I'm just getting ready to sanitize the tubes. I'm gonna wash them and let them dry for about 24 hours and then put them away until I am ready to use them. So that was all for today's video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And you could also find me on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest at Shop Binti Beauty or Binti Beauty. You can also go to our website for more information about the products at bintibeauty.com.